Welcome to Vocabulary Central. The first word that we are going to learn today is the word encircle. What does this word mean? This word means to form a circle around someone or something. Let's imagine a group of friends standing in a circle holding hands and someone is standing inside the circle. Here, the friends have encircled, that is, surrounded this person inside the circle. Synonyms of this word: surround, encompass, enclose, ring, hem in. All the above words that I have mentioned above convey the idea of forming a loop around someone or something. Let's take some sentences using the word encircle. The first sentence that we are going to see is: the children encircle the campfire and roast marshmallows. Second sentence is: please encircle the correct answer. And the third sentence: the engineer planned to encircle the park with as many flowers as he could. The second word that we are going to learn today is the word develop. Develop means to grow or improve something over time. Let's take an example. Imagine a sapling that grows into a plant or a tree, or a baby that grows into an adult. Or it can also mean growing or improving a skill that you have, or to learn a new skill. Synonyms of this word is grow, enhance, evolve, expand, progress, advance. Each of the above words shows a different aspect of development. Sentences with this word: Reena worked hard to develop her skill in software development and coding. Second sentence: scientists developed vaccines for various viruses. The third sentence: over many years, the small town started to develop. The third word that we are going to learn today is across. Across means going from one side to the other. So let's take an example here, like walking across a bridge means going from one end of the bridge to the other side. Synonyms: through, beyond, over. Each of the above words can be used to convey the idea of moving from one side to the other. Sentences. The first sentence is: Roshni's mother walked across the street to reach the supermarket. The second sentence: the bridge stretches across the river and connects the two towns. The third sentence is: before the internet, messages were sent across the ocean using telegrams. The fourth word that we are going to learn today is the word curious. It means wanting to know or learn something more. For example, like when we see something new and we want to find out something more about it. Synonyms: inquisitive, questioning, interested, inquiring, intrigued. Each of the above words captures the meaning of the word curious, that is, wanting to learn or know something more. Sentences. The first sentence is: after visiting the planetarium, Rian was curious and started asking endless questions about stars and the planets. The scientist's curious intent is what aids them in making groundbreaking discoveries. The third sentence is: the group found a cave while traveling and were curious to know what was inside. The fifth word that we are going to learn today is vocabulary. The meaning of the word is the words that we know and use. It is like a toolbox of words that we can use to talk and write. So let's imagine that we are learning a new language. Every new word that we learn, understand and remember becomes a part of our vocabulary. The more words we know, the richer our vocabulary becomes, which allows us to express ourselves in a much more clearer way and also helps us to understand others better. Synonyms: lexicon, glossary, word list, word bank. Each of the words refers to a collection of words and their meanings. The sentences. The first sentence: reading books regularly helps us to improve our vocabulary. The second sentence: when we start learning a new language, building a rich vocabulary is very important. The third sentence: Ravi's extensive vocabulary impressed everyone during the debate. Now let's take a story using the 5 words that we learned just now. Ria visited a planetarium where she became curious about the planets and stars. She began to read many books about outer space, which helped her develop her vocabulary. One day she saw a star shoot across the sky. She decided to make a project on the topic universe. For research, she bought many books about planets, stars, universe, etc. Her father found Ria sitting in her room reading many books. She started to encircle the words she did not understand to learn them at a later time. See you in the next video. Bye.